I got this question a lot. What is the easiest way to make money online? Everyone wants to know how to earn $100 a day without being too complicated or time consuming. Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through some of the lazy but still very effective ways to make money online. If you have been searching for ways to bring in extra cash without burning yourself out, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you know exactly what methods works for you, so you can start making money today without all the headaches. Before we dive into the details, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to show you the best options out there and you won't want to miss any of it. Alright, so we are going to look at 5 major factors that determine if a money-making method is truly lazy or not. Here is what we'll be judging. 1. How fast can you start making money? I'm talking about how quickly you can get to that $100 per day mark. 2. How much work is involved? Because, let's face it, we want to make money without working around the clock. 3. Can you grow it easily? The best opportunities are the ones you can scale without adding too much more work. And 4. How much does it cost to start? We're looking for low cost, high reward methods. And 5th, what is the risk? Nobody wants to stress over losing money, so we focus on low risk options. Let's jump into the first method. Method number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is a classic choice, and for good reason. It's about leveraging your existing skills to make money online. Whether it's video editing, writing, social media management, or graphic design, there are endless opportunities in the freelance space. Now, here's the thing. How lazy is freelancing really? Let's break it down. Time to start making money. 6 months. It sounds like a lot, but stick with me. Building a strong portfolio and a client base takes time. However, once you get going, it's relatively easy to start earning. There are so many resources available, especially on YouTube, to help you get up to speed fast. Work involved. This is where freelancing can be tough. When you are dealing with clients directly, you need to manage expectations, handle revisions, and keep a cool head when things get frustrating. However, this work can be very rewarding, especially when you get great feedback or a repeat client. Scalability. Freelancing has limits. You are trading time for money. So unless you raise your rates or hire other freelancers, you can only scale so much. Initial investment. The beauty of freelancing is that you don't need much. A computer, a reliable internet connection, and maybe a few software tools. No FT investment required. The risk level? Low. Yes. The only risk is that you might not find clients right away, but with persistence, you get there. And once you build your portfolio, clients start finding you. If you're serious about starting freelancing, I've got a detailed guide on how to find your first client and build your portfolio. Check out the link in the description for a step-by-step process to help you get started. Method number 2, Airbnb Arbitrage. Next, let's talk about Airbnb Arbitrage. This method lets you rent properties long time and then sublet them on Airbnb for a profit. No need to own a property. You are essentially acting as a middleman. The learning curve. You need about 1 to 3 months to get comfortable with this. You learn how Airbnb works, the ins and outs of property management, and what kinds of places are most likely to succeed on the platform. The work involved is not entirely passive. You still need to manage bookings, deal with customer service issues, and arrange cleaning. But once you set up a system, it's relatively easy to maintain. The scalability. This one's huge in terms of scalability. You can keep adding properties to your portfolio. Once you have the process down, the more you add, the more you make. Initial investment. This is the big one. You are looking at anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 to get started, depending on the property and location. But you don't need to buy the property yourself. Just make sure the landlord is on board and get everything on writing. The risk level, high. The risk comes from the initial investment. If the property doesn't rent as much as expected, you could be stuck covering the lease. But with good planning and research, you could mitigate this risk. All right, let's switch gears a bit. If you are looking for a way to make money from selling products, eBay is a fantastic option. You can sell anything from vintage items to clothes or electronics. Learning curve. You can get started in 2 weeks. Once you pick a niche and start listing items, you get the hang of it pretty quickly. There are plenty of tutorials on YouTube to help you learn the ropes. The work involved is medium effort. You need to list products, manage your inventory, and handle shipping. You might also need to deal with customers' questions or returns. It's not completely passive, but it's manageable. The scalability is very high. As you make sales and grow your reputation, you can add more products to your store. You can even expand to other platforms like Etsy or Amazon to increase your sales. Initial investment. Start with $500 for inventory. You can source products from local thrift stores, wholesale suppliers, or even your own closet. Risk level, medium. You are investing in stock that may or may not sell. But with the right strategy or product research, you can keep that risk low. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is probably the most passive way to make money online. Here is how it works. You promote other people's products or services, or even someone buys through your affiliate link. You earn a commission. Learning curve. You can get started in 1 to 2 days. Once you sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, all you have to do is to start promoting the products. Work involved, very little. You don't have to deal with products, shipping, or customer service. Just focus on promoting your affiliate links through content or ads. The scalability, very high. You can promote as many products as you want. Once you have a good amount of traffic, the commission starts rolling in passively. Initial investment, around $250 for content creations or ads. You can start smaller if you're focusing on organic content, but ads can help you get quicker results. Risk level, low. The biggest risk is putting in time and effort without seeing immediate returns, but there's minimum upfront cost. And finally, we have AI Shopify stores. With AI tools, you can set up a fully automated e-commerce store, from product selection to fulfillment, all without lifting a finger. The learning curve, 0. The AI walks you through every step, from creating your store to selecting products and managing everything. And the work involved, very little. Once the store is set up, the AI handles inventory and shipping, leaving you with hands-off business. The scalability, unlimited. The AI keeps adding new products and managing your store, so you can scale up without adding more work. Initial investment, $1.99. Just $1 for Shopify and 99 cents for the AI tool trial. Risk level, almost none. The minimum upfront investment means you are not risking much at all. You can try it out with very little commission. Check out the link in my description below. So, there you have it. If you're looking for the easiest way to make $100 a day online, I think the AI Shopify store and affiliate marketing are the best options, but freelancing and eBay stores are great if you're looking to get hands in a little data. If you're ready to dive in, check out the links in the description for more resources and step-by-step guides to get started. And thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm Richard, and this is Ultimac. I see you in the next video.